Hi there, Devon Slovensky, Virginia divorce and family law attorney. I want to talk to you today about what you can do if you suspect that your spouse is hiding assets from you as you go through the divorce process. You're going through a divorce and you expect that your soon-to-be ex is not being forthright with you about the assets that you will have to divide during a divorce. What can you do next? Well, first of all, it's a stressful and challenging situation, but it's more common than you may think, and we have experience handling it. Many people face the issue during a divorce, and there are a few crucial steps that you can go through that are going to help you and your attorney get a successful outcome. First and foremost, it's important that you understand that you have a legal right to have a fair division of marital assets. But we don't believe that you can have a fair division of marital assets if you don't understand what the assets are in the first place. So how do we get to the bottom of that? Well, unlike other states, Virginia does not have mandatory disclosures, meaning that your spouse isn't obligated to be full and forthrightly honest with you about their assets just at the beginning of a divorce case. It's on you and your attorney to ask the right questions to find out what the assets are. After getting discovery back and getting answers from your spouse, if you still feel like the assets aren't fully disclosed, what can you do? Well, it may be surprising that one of the first places to look for hidden assets is actually on tax returns. If someone has a secret cryptocurrency account or is doing some stock trading in another account that you don't know about, oftentimes there's going to be clues on the tax return about these assets. If you still yet expect additional assets or think that other assets exist, subpoenas can be issued on banks, stockbrokers, even cryptocurrency exchanges to find out if there actually are accounts that belong to your spouse at those institutions. Finally, a really close fine look at bank records often reveals a few breadcrumbs that point to another account. For example, there may be a one-off exchange from a cryptocurrency account that makes you know that there's an account at Coinbase, for example. Ultimately, if there's some really hidden clues and we need to dig really deep, we may get a forensic accountant or private investigator involved in your case to find out where these assets are. The best thing you could do to help your attorney are to get tax returns, bank statements, and all the financial records that you possibly can together as early in your case so your attorney can review them and spend as much time with them as possible. At Slovensky Law, we believe in protecting your financial interests by getting a full disclosure of assets before we agree to any divorce settlement. We know the emotional and financial toll that a divorce can take, and we're right here by your side if you're going through a difficult time trying to figure out what actually exists before you divide your assets. If we can help you, visit our website at slovenskylaw.com and set up a consultation so we can talk to you about how to get a full and fair divorce. Thank you.